You good?
Oh, okay.
You good?
Gotcha. You looking for somebody?
Yep. What color it is again?
She's right there. In the green ponytail.
Hello, Miss Renee. Can you follow me, please?
I'm sorry?
Can you follow me, please? Renee, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just go ahead out the door.
Can I get my stuff?
What stuff do you have?
From my purse and my jacket?
Where is it?
It's right in there.
All right, I'll send someone to come back and get it. Did you drive here?
No.
Spell your first name. Spell your first name for me.
R-E-N-E-E.
Your middle.
N-A-N-N.
Your last name.
C-A-R-M-I-N-T.
Your date of birth.
6/13/62.
You know what this is in reference to?
Yes.
What is it?
Some money I took from Ted.
You know you got a warrant?
No.
Okay. All right, you have a warrant. What property do you have in there?
My purse and my jacket.
Purse and your jacket. Could this young lady get it for you?
Yeah, could you get my... It's by where the...
Do you want me to hold it here?
No.
Jason?
As long as you're cooperative, you won't have an issue. But if you're not cooperative and you give me a hard time, then of course I have to stoop down to that level.
I'll never give you one.
Okay. But you do have a warrant.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's why I'm here. Let's walk over here to this car. And I'm just going to have her come over here with your stuff. The passenger side of this car. You had any close friends in there?
For what?
For your property that you can turn over things to? Because it looks like something out of Broward as well. I'm going to verify. Definitely in Palm Beach, but something out of Broward. I just got to verify.
I have an outstanding ticket in Broward. I just, since I lost my job with him, I haven't been able to pay it. And
Gotcha.
it's a long story. We lost our apartment. I've been living in a hotel for the past 6 months, so I didn't have the money to do anything.
Okay.
So,
Nothing illegal on you at all?
Oh, absolutely not.
No guns?
No.
No drugs?
No.
None of that stuff? Okay.
No.
Cinch. Where's Valdez? Where's Valdez?
Marcus?
Whose car?
Valdez.
I need his car. Valdez! So that...
Everything that was at the table is in there. Just grab it when you can. Let me know if you're okay.
Yeah,
You got his number?
Yeah, it's on my phone.
Okay.
My phone in here?
Yeah, your phone, your vape, your card protector, your wallet, all that stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, do I need to call Casey?
I'm gonna let her do all of that stuff. She ain't giving me no hard time. She could call y'all as soon as we get where we going. She gonna be using her phone.
Perfect. Thank you
So,
much. Appreciate
yeah.
it. Thank you.
So you good, or? Okay.
You want to leave some of this stuff with?
I don't think she's that close with me.
Oh, okay.
I mean, yes and no.
Yeah.
I'd rather just bring it with me.
So I just need her to take it to the district,
Nah.
and I'll take it from there.
Sure.
Yeah. I'll grab her there. I'm gonna let her handle her business as well. So, all right. I'm gonna take this.
I'm
gonna take your stuff.
Of your stuff for
Okay.
now.
Could I just hit my vape? Oh, wait a minute. I do.
I'm gonna let you do all that stuff as soon as we.
Can
I
I
gotta release him.
Can I just hit this real quick? Because
Go
I
ahead.
need it for my nerves.
Go ahead.
Okay.
I mean, you can't go to the jail with that. So,
Yeah, it's gonna go in that. It's gonna go in the traffic. He places cuffs on you in the front. Okay, it is what it is. I gotta put you in cuffs.
No, I understand.
All right. Just put your hands.
nah, she won't tip it to.
you have anything else in your pockets besides that vape?
I have a hotel key in my back pocket.
Okay, that's fine. We're more concerned about weapons
Oh,
and stuff.
yeah. No, I do not like weapons.
Go ahead and have a seat.
All right, so again, don't give him any issues. I'm gonna make you comfortable as possible.
Oh, never.
But right now, my thing is I can't keep him tied up. We're gonna head to my office.
Okay.
I'm gonna do everything over there. I'm gonna let you freely do whatever you want to do, to an extent, and then we're gonna head to the jail after that.
Okay.
I just gotta complete your paperwork. That's all.
Okay.
All
Any idea? Is there any chance that I would be able to get out?
As long as I gotta look at your information.
Oh.
All I know right now is you have a warrant. You confirmed your identity to me. I already knew who you were. I saw the picture of you. I knew it's you.
Right.
Now, I got to look at everything in the detail and see and let you know your bond information, let you know what's going to happen, et cetera, et cetera.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so just give me time.
You got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Issues. I'm gonna make you comfortable as possible.
Oh, never.
Right now, my thing is I can't keep him tied up. We're gonna head to my office.
Okay.
I'm gonna do everything over there. I'm gonna let you freely do whatever you want to do, to an extent.
Trying to put your seat.
And we're gonna head to the jail after that.
Okay.
You gotta complete your paperwork. That's all.
Okay. Any idea? Is there any chance that I would be able to get out
As
and
long as
take
I
care
look
of
at- I gotta
things?
look at your information.
Oh.
All I know right now is you have one. You confirmed your identity to me. I already knew who you were. I saw the picture of you. I know it's you.
Right.
Now, I got to look at everything in the detail and see and let you know your bond information, let you know what's going to happen, et cetera, et cetera.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so just give me time.
You got it. Thank you. My friends, thanks, Ted. I'm gonna lose my job now. It's tight.
I'm really sorry. This happened, and then there's something. This guy was burglarizing cars over here, so he's on the stretcher with fire rescue. We're gonna make sure fire rescue's okay, and then we're gonna go. Okay? I'm
Not
really
a
sorry
problem.
about the delay.
Is there any way we could loosen this a little bit? I
Oh,
tried
yeah.
to pull back
Yeah,
and...
even while I have you here, I'll just take it off.
Okay.
I'll put it back on when we get right
Okay.
now,
Oh, thank you. I can breathe.
Said you have to use the restroom?
No, I said because I was under the impression he was going to let me pay him back. I just haven't had a chance to.
Issue 4/17/25. Money laundering,
Huh?
grand theft over 100K.
I don't know about the money laundering part, but okay.
So you have no bond. You got to see a judge. The judge is going to give you a bond in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. How does bond work? I'm more new to this.
So if it was bondable, then the bond would be here. The numbers will be here. But when it's no bond, that means the judge want to see you
Okay.
before, so he's going to give you stipulations. All
But
right.
there is a chance that I can get out tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, yeah. After he gives you your bond and your stipulations, yes.
Perfect, okay. And how, okay, you wouldn't be able to answer anything until I see the judge because you wouldn't know because
Yeah, I
he
wouldn't know.
hasn't said anything yet. Okay, I got it.
How you doing?
I've been better.
What are you getting arrested for?
I'm not quite sure. Well, I kind of know.
You kind of know?
Yeah.
You got a good idea?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see what you're
It's
saying.
just the second part I'm not
Yeah.
too sure.
I'm sorry. Just wanted to confirm 1049 only in Palms. Like, I believe I heard something about Broward reference 1012.
Do you have a... I'll classify over the...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have it.
26, thank you so much.
Your eyes leave the screen.
Simple, we'll do.
So you a professional poker player?
Not really.
Just wear the shirt?
Yeah, well, it's part of a bar
we'll
league.
fit right in.
We're all over Florida. I think we're in
No, it's the
Tennessee,
other
New
guy.
York. It's called No Limit Pub
No, this
Poker.
one's the 1049.
You travel the whole...
Oh no, I just play in Florida.
Crazy. It was
So
literally
we have tournaments,
both
big
storefronts right next to
tournaments
each other.
every
Yeah, it's a 49,
twice a
those are
year.
21 cars.
Usually it's at the Kennel Club in like October, November.
But still, nonetheless,
In
had every
June,
witness in the world.
we have a big tournament out in Vegas.
I know.
And during the season when we play, our seasons are usually about 3 or 4 months long. We get points for how we do during the night, and those points get us into different tournaments. I go out just to have fun. Except
You don't go out to
tonight
make money?
No, we don't play for money, actually.
Oh, you don't play for money?
No, it's illegal. What we do, I know.
Damn.
No, but what we do play for is, well, they say bar tab. It's a gift certificate for wherever we're playing.
Oh.
Like the top 10 or top 9 go to a final table, and then the
So when
first
you
and
guys
second-
go to Vegas, are you guys playing for money then, the big one?
Yes. It's like a $300 buy-in, and I think the
1026, thank you so much.
this June was like 400,000. It gets divvied up with the 9 people that
Right. But still.
because I think the top walk away with like 200 something or 100 and something. But usually we play for like a $15 or $10 or $15 gift certificate for wherever we're playing at.
So today you were just playing for...
Yes, sir.
You were just playing for...
15 bucks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
23 in for you, buddy?
Same night, gentlemen.
Oh, sorry. All right, man. Best of luck.
Thank you. Be safe. I don't know why people have to do that. Pretty much. Really nice guy. I love it. Is that the same guy that was
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
over at my?
No, we had to stop for you to make sure he cooperate with fire rescue.
Hey. Ted had a duck. Yeah, they had a duck. So I'm dealing with an extremely nice gentleman tonight. The officer is super surprised and he says he's not cooperated. I gave so I just want to let you know I'm good. Well, there's no guide right now. They said I have to see the judge at like 7 in the morning and see what happens. They have it listed as, I don't know if this is what Ted told the guys or whatever, but my charges are money laundering and grand theft over $100,000. So I'll just have to talk to the judge in the morning. Yeah, filming the whole thing. Him and Mindy were there. Yeah, it was a whole fiasco over there because shortly before they had the meeting, sometimes I don't know what was supposed to happen. Right. What I want you to do for me, and this will benefit you, you knew nothing about what I did. Okay, please? Because I don't want this to fail and really be well, that's what I was going to tell you. You have my password and login for my Chase account, correct? Okay. Excuse me. Would I be able to text him some information? Oh, you're awesome. What I'm going to do is I want you to download the Chase app on your phone. I'm going to send you
Why are you sweating?